quite the f***ing bulk.
That's the way to do it, jokes aside.
Yeah, oh yeah, second or first.
Second, hang on, I'll get out of your way. I know you. I was like that too. Dump her, mate, dump her. Mate, that's not hard enough.
All over my grip. You
Get the old way down.
how you bloody do it.
No way.
Where's the fun in that?
That's Graham for you though, he's got the expertise. Me.
More pear. Whee!
Not this again.
Be hard. This will be good. Ooh! What'd you do that for? Other side!
I'll snap your fender.
No sh**. You blocked your exhaust too. Your exhaust is full of mud too.
Oh, that's cool, bit of an exhaust bung. Take that home.
Feel like riding a Honda up a hill. Just get it going and hit limiter and she'll be alright.
Oh, I'm not riding it, you're riding it.
Oh, I'm not going up here.
Here you are.
Way more.
Try that line.
No, that's too easy.
Get on it.
Oh boy. Okay.
Get a stick in there and poke a hole in it. Yeah? Oh my god. Nice one.
It's going well till you decide to.
Yeah, what? There's another trail here. If you could get her up to there, we probably could get it.
Yeah, we'll just
probably ride it from here. It's plenty of traction.
Oh, I don't know about that, but yep.
Plenty of traction, mate.
Plenty of traction. Here's the reason I fell over.
Can you pick her up?
I'm trying.
Oh, the wee toesies.
Oh, that was right in the G spot.
Oh!
Don't know, but don't kid yourself. Right, get the old going. I'll just
Jump out the road.
jump out the road. But you just get to a big skiddy.
Well, I'm gonna try. There you go, you can take her from there.